Hello, friends. Jesus prayed in John 17, verse 15, and it says, I do not ask that you take them out of the world, but that you keep them from the evil one. Sometimes we're still in the world, still sitting in church, still smiling, still functioning, but inside, we're fighting battles no one sees. This poem written by me is, Can You Hear Me? Hello, church sister on the seat over there. I wonder, what are you going through? I don't know for you, but for me, I'm feeling so blue. Hello, little child standing near to me. You look so happy and I'm glad. But my life is filled with anger, and that makes me sad. My heart cries out from the pain within, the purulent drainage that keeps bleeding. Hey there, can you hear me? Do you see me? Are you even aware of the scars inside of me? I see the mother carrying her groceries, her hands trembling like mine do sometimes. I hear the laughter in the hallways. But inside, it feels like silence. Hey, can you hear me? Do you feel the storm inside me? To the man on the bus, scrolling on his phone, do you notice the weight that I carry? Listen to my tone. To the friend who smiles at me every morning, do you sense the fire that burns quietly beneath my skin? Hey there, can you hear me? Do you see the battle I fight unseen? I speak to the empty rooms. I speak to the walls that held my secrets. I speak to the sky, and I still wonder, can anyone hear me? Can anyone truly see me? And yet I speak, I reach, I ask, can you hear me? Are you even aware of the scars inside of me? My friend, love God first and yourself. Until then, peace.